We parents just love SourceForge International.
Good morning, students. Welcome to SourceForge learning session for grade 1. SourceForge is one of the leading names, helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports, and life skills. Today I'm going to take your English class, and now today we will do revision of the previous year. It is part 2. So today we will come to know, we will practice phonics words, opposite words, use of in and use of these, that, and those. So let's move on. Some phonic words, L words. So when we will use a double L, so we have to pressure on that L sound, like B-A-double-L. So it will be ball. R-O-double-L. It will be roll. C-E-double-L. It will be cell. Like that only. P-U-double-L. It will be pool. So this you have to write down in your 3 lines copy. In this way only. SS sound words. In the similar way, we will pronounce S and we will pressurize the sound S, sir, like L-O-S-S, loss, P-A-S-S, pus, pass, C-L-A-S-S, class, B-L-E-S-S, blaze. Here you can see the CL and BL consonant blends. CL is clear and BL is blur. You came to know in the previous class, remember? So next is ing word, I-N-G, ing, K-I-N-G, king, R-I-N-G, ring, S-W-I-N-G, swing. So these are ing word, I-N-G, ing words. Here, last one is lung, L-U-N-G. You can skip it. Next, it is sure word. Sure, it is coming like F-I-S-H, fish. P-U-S-H, push. S-H, sure, U-T, ut, shirt. S-H, sure, O-E, shoe. Now, this is TH words. TH, we can use like the or the. Here, B-A-T-H, that is bath. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Now it is T-H-I-S. Here we will pronounce the. T-H-I-S, it is these. T-H-I-N, it is thin, the. Again. CH words like chat, C-H-A-T, chat, C-H-I-N, chin, B-E-A-C-H, beach, R-I-C-H, rich. Now let's revise some opposite words. You know, big. What will be the opposite of big? This is small. Happy, sad, fat, thin, open, close, near, far, sweet, sour, on, off. see some more opposite words. Black, white, hot, H-O-T, hot, cold, hard, soft, day, night, high, low, long, short, young, old. So these all the opposite words, and those previous words you have to write down in your copy. And please submit it before Tuesday. Use of in. Where we will use in? Let's see. Where should we use in? We will use in show. We use in to show the location of the person or the object. Where is that person or where is this object? It is in something, or it is on something, or it is above something, in that way. So in this way we are showing the location, exactly where it is. So here you can see the first picture. A man is driving a car. So obviously he will sit inside the car. He will be in the car, not on the car. So here a man is in a car. You can see a straw. This is in the glass or on the glass? The straw is in a glass. Can you see the kennel and a dog? So dog is in a kennel. A mango is in a basket. A bird is in a cage. A bird is in a nest. A fish is in a tank. Use of on. I told you before, this is also showing the position of the object or the person. Here you can see the first picture of a book and a pen. The pen is on the book and the book is under the pen. So when I will ask, a pen is, where is the pen? A pen is on a book. A monkey is on a tree. An apple is on a table. A rat is on a mat. A girl is on a mat. A mouse is on a lion. The mouse is sitting on the back of the lion. Can you see that? A boy is on a bed. So this was the use of in and on. Now we will see the use of this, these, that, and those. Can you see the picture? What is singular and plural? I will come up with it tomorrow or next day. So here you can see a single apple, that is singular, and here this hand can touch the apple, so that means it is very close to that hand. So that's why we will say this is an apple. When this apple is little far, so that time we will say that is an apple. We have to show it. It is little far. Here, see, there are 3 apples. So it is not a single apple. So that's why it's plural. So here we will use these are apples. And here we can touch the apple because it is very close to us, very close to that hand. That's why we can say these are apples. But when these apples are little far, that time we have to say those are apples. So you can understand. Where do we use these and these? This is used to show a singular thing, means a single thing. Single apple or single boy, single girl. That time we will use these. These are used for show more than one things or objects, like more than one things. Where do we use that and those? I told you that is used in singular circumstances, like that apple. It's single apple and it's little far away. Those are used for more than one things or objects. It is used to show something at a distance. See, this is at a distance. That's why we are using those. Use of these. This will be your homework. You have to write it down. So, here see, balloons. There are so many balloons. That's why we will say these are balloons. There are two fans. So we have two fans. So we will say two. These are fans. These are flags. These are frogs. These are balloons. Again, same thing. You have to write down in your copy. So see you next day. Thank you so much.